why are you guys coming to be? And then I told him we're here for our honeymoon. And then he was like, how many months? I said only a month. The guy just gave me 90 days on my visa. And he's like, just, I'm like, no. He said, yeah, just tour Ghana. Visit Ghana everywhere. For Nigeria, I asked, I really requested, can I please have like 6 days? Like, no, it's only 30 days. After 30 days, you need to go out and then come back again. But in Ghana, the guy just said, you have 30.
Same boat. How is it for you? Do you have to always leave Nigeria and go back, or what do you do?
Yes. I always have to like leave, maybe go to Ghana and then come back.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's not easy for me. I'm working on Naija. I don't know if I need to take the documents.
Yes, you have to show your marriage certificate and then your identification, and then that's it.
Wow.
I can't wait to get myself a Ghanaian.
If I had a choice, I would go for a Ghanaian passport. I love Ghana. I don't know.
Wow.
I love.
Are you serious?
And
also, maybe I'll come to Nigeria too.
Yeah. Please come.
Yeah.
Please come, by the way. My mother-in-law is going to cook for you. She likes amala in the way do. So.
I love, you must have a really nice relationship with your mother-in-law, because you're like, my mother-in-law will cook for you.
Yeah, because, yeah.
Nigerian family, by which I mean your family and all of Nigerians. So they don't have Nigerian fans.
Even he's talking about their in.
You have Nigerian, like.
And the culture now. The baby has to learn different cultures, our culture. You know, when we were naming the baby, we decided that I'm coming with a Nigerian name and I'll come with a Kenyan name. And I've always wanted my baby to have a Swahili name.
Me too.
I have never fancied all this white.
We're talking about finding the right guy who really loves you. There were so many DMs. Guys are like, Trudy, want to know how to, get a West African man, What advice do you have for girls who are like, wow, Sean, she's so lucky. Me also want a Nigerian.
A lot of people say, I want to get this type of man in the house. Step 1, get out. Go outside, go and mingle, go and interact. Do you have a passport? Chances that this West African man is going to find you in your house are very slim.
Almost zero.
Almost zero. And you're not Trudy, who has a YouTube channel, who would admire probably will see somewhere and say, hey, let me go to Kenya. So I don't know. I think just travel. I don't know. Pray. Just pray hard. Because I don't think we have a to-do list that will check do this. But at least have a passport. Go to Nigeria.
Yeah. Okay, so what do you
Rika and Miss Trudy, welcome to Naija Daughter TV. Today, I bring Rika and Miss Trudy to my channel. Rika married Nigeria man. A Kenyan lady married Nigeria man, that is Rika. Then Miss Trudy married Ghana husband, that is Wardamaya, a YouTuber, because she and her husband, they be YouTuber. But Rika, her husband, no be YouTuber. Welcome to my space, Rika. Yes, if you don't get her, she's our wife. Oh, it's our West Africa wifey. I watched 2 of their video. Then I picked some words when I was talk to them. If they watch this my video, they say drop her in the comment section. I know na Naija daughter. First class for that matter. When is the type? They type. Now self carry my own. Go cry out for my channel. Rika say, he say her husband, mama say, if they cook amala, he go to Dutch. He Dutch up amala. He will do. Only mama now for here maybe now here for her mouth. Rika, that is, you marry from Yoruba. Yes, Yoruba, then love amala. That is their best food. Amala and ewedu is their best food. When you measure on to Miss Trudy, I know say na amala and ewedu. From there, I don't know say na Yoruba now you marry. If you talk about what they call afam, if you talk about afam soup, those I know say na East. If you can talk about melon, black soup, I know say na my side. Nigeria is big. Nigeria is white. Okay. Yes, then Miss Trudy come ask her and say whether she love her husband. She say yes. 2 of them, they meet for Dubai when she traveled to Dubai. He said, our brother, take care of now. Our West Africa, they take care of now. Hey, Kenya, if you did this my video, you want to marry any West African man. That's a bit take care of Unesha. And I still take one thing for instance when I want really love to address. They talk about say West African men. They be mama boy. That is they love their mother. This part so it trigger my liver come. This part I want to deliberate on it. If you are a lady out there, you they go out with any guy, any man, whether West Africa, whether any part of the world, that man not love his mother. No say no love you. The love of man supposed to start from his mother. Because if man when he love his mother, he go love you. Man when he respects his mother, he go respect you. Why I put her like that? Miss Trudy and Rika, they bring her come and say, West Africa men, they are too, used to their mother, they are too close to their mother. I want to ask you, Miss Trudy and Rika, if now jam this my video, or any Kenyan person when jam this my video, una own brothers, they know they close to their mother, they know they love their mother. Yes, I can't say all the West African men, you understand? Some they are good, some they are bad, some their moderate. But if you get luck, meet a West African man when love him mom, he will love you. I know some people will say if they're too dey close to their mom go dey control. No, a wise man go know say this is my wife's space, this is my mom's space. A wise man. And a wise woman go know say as far as this man love her, him mom, he go love me. If you want enter any marriage and your husband not like him mom, just forget about it. Yes. Try know why you not like him mom. Try know some things. But if nobody say the woman abandon him, the woman not take care of him, he not grow with the woman, you know if he just hate am, at clicks, he go still care from the, he go still care for him mom. You understand? He go care for him mom, but you know it just be like that bond. But any man when he grow with mother from day one to he reach that certain age when he take go university or when he take start his own, my brother, my sister, he go love his mom. Yes, he go love his mom. I say when Erica say if she and her husband go outside, he go say this will good for my mom. That is good, man. The same thing when they say this is we good for my mom. If you are not there, he want choose for you. He go say this will good for my wife. Yes. Then we'll say it's good whether West Africa, whether North Africa, whether South, whether not any part of the world. If you they go out with man and that man don't love his mom, be very careful. He will come back to you. I hope I cleared that part. Yes, our West Africa men, they take care of their woman. And I hear from Miss Trudy when she say her father always tell her and say West Africa men, they pregnant woman, they go dump her more, they go run. When his father they see say they go out with Woodmaya. They see bad. And now if you tell you now say my West Africa, they are 100%. No, they see bad, they see good. They see bad and good all over the country. They see. And if you are a Kenyan lady, you want to marry West African man, do you have passport? As Erica talk. Do you have passport? And our sister, Miss Trudy, our wife, our Ghanaian wife, she say, now so would Maya still be? Yes, it's good. It's good your husband love his mom. It's very, very good. And go straight to Erica when she traveled to Ghana for her honeymoon, said they give her 3 months visa. But Nigeria not green. May I clear that part for you? You know, different people. If you meet some people for office, what if they not saying that they want overdo? When you meet some people for office, they go nice. They will treat you according to the job. Maybe that visa of 18 when you talk about, when you complain about for Nigeria, say Ghana, they are so lovely. Ghana, they are so did this. Ghana, they are so do that. They are so the guy. You say, may you spend your money? Yes, now. Ask me. Tell me in my comment section. You know, say as you go another country, what do you tell her? Now you want to honeymoon. Then your money there. You say, may you spend that for a country. It can give you 1 year visa if you can afford it. I beg. I not come from you. The other part is still talk about why South Africa, those countries, they're not in Nigeria. They're in Nigeria. If you want to know them, say they're in Nigeria. They're oil side. Yes. Go oil side, you will see there. You'll see white people. You'll see a lot of colors, a lot of people. You'll see them. Lagos, that place where they live so. Poor man when you don't get money, they live there. You know, you say they stay if you mention them again. That my brother, he hold low. Now he just traveled away from Nigeria, go Kenya, go marry. Hey, brother. Where your husband puts you, now president, governor, people when matter, stars, now they stay there. Lucky. No be hungry people. How many people you see there? How many people? For immigrants, be when you enter, when they work for there. May I tell you, if you want to see some Ghana, I never jam your country. May I just say Ghana, Togo, Benin Republic, those countries, Cameroon, if you want to jam them, go Ajegule, you go see them there. Go all those Ajegule, all those places, all those, you will see them. Yes, a lot of them did that side. The food, there's no place when now people when get them for kudi. You know, say Nigeria people, not beside they no. If they travel, as you still talk, or if they come up for their country, they like to hustle. Instead, in fact, where the rich they belong, they want to stay there. Now, so Nigeria people be, you don't know them. All those our men. No fear them. Hey, fear them. Now make you know they see them. Where I mention for you, so Erica, go where I tell you. If you want to see those foreigners, my wife, my Nigerian wife, Erica, if you want to see foreigners for Nigeria, foreigner when they get money, go Oye side, that goes Bayelsa, yes, Bayelsa, Port Harcourt. Bayelsa and Port Harcourt, go there, you go see them. They jabba, they be like Sansan. And if you want to see the average, maybe those who come Nigeria with red eye, they strong, go Ajegule for Lagos, go all those normal land. That place where your husband put you so. Now rich people, they stay there. Wait till you talk. You say you don't see like 2 or 3 people. Because that place, that Lekki, no be small pikin. Lekki, all those are jail, those no be small pikin food. But if you want to see your people, they're full now, that they find them. Now they find them, many of them, they okay. Now this one just say me clear for now. Okay, if you don't know our wife, Erica. Hey, you see our Nigerian wife. Now YouTuber, now Miss Trudy make me know her. Then see our Ghanaian wife, Miss Trudy also. Me 2 of them, they say that what they do. And me, I not forget this one. If you be Kenyan and you marry West Africa husband, hit them up. Go and write on their comment section. Say me, I be West Africa wifey. Oh, another thing they want to chook mouth. If the person marry West Africa, as Miss Trudy talk, say if they marry, they will give her wife passport. That's what it's supposed to be now. I beg, no not look into that. My Nigeria people, no not look into that, so that no not give our wife paper, because our wife don't already born for us. They marry her and she don't born for us. Why not give her Nigeria? Ah, that green and white. Now see they drag, that's it they struggle foreigner. Ah, Nigeria. Now see they make foreigner they pass through. Ah, this one took my liver. I call and say, hey, my Niger. Hey, the people say they look for paper. That's if I see you know the entire Now this one get to talk. I just say let me use my people take talk. Thank you all my beautiful people, my amazing people, my supporter people. I appreciate you guys all. Okay. If you don't know Miss Trudy is Ghanaian wife. Erica is Nigerian wife. Both of them come from Kenya. Kenya lady when married. When you take our brother, now strong girl. I'll meet you now in my next video.